So for this chicken chili fry, I've heated about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. To that, I'm going to be adding 2 light green chilies which I've chopped really fine. Now fry the chilies well. Once that is done, we're going to add 1 medium-sized onion chopped really fine. And we're going to fry the onion also very well for at least half a minute. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry the ginger garlic paste well too. Now I'm going to add 1 medium-sized tomato and fry that well too. All ingredients with their right measurements are going to be in the description box below. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, and mix everything really well. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and again mix everything well. So this is our bagar, and you have to fry everything really nicely. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, as well as half a teaspoon of crushed kasuri meethi. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water and get everything really mixed in well together. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and just 1/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, some salt to taste. And now I'm going to add 150 grams of cooked chicken. Now I'm going to leave in the description box as to how I cook the chicken. It's very simple. So you can check the description box for how I pre-cooked my chicken and kept it ready. So mix everything really well. We're going to cover and cook this for about 3 minutes on a low flame, and our chili fry is all ready. Just garnish it with some lovely freshly chopped coriander and you're all set. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.